Instead of digging underground or having to do any demolition to replace or clean sewage pipes, Kenneth Kaas cures them from the inside. He's a plumber from Norway who specializes in pipe relining. This blue tube you're seeing is being pushed through a faulty sewage pipe using pressurized air, which will create a tough new pipe inside of the old one. This technique can be used to fix cracked, leaky, or old pipes. Some signs that a pipe needs to be inspected include sewer odors, slow drains, and constant clogs. Pipe relining is a quicker method compared to replacements, and it only takes 2 workers to complete the job. Workers start by inspecting the inside of the pipe with a tiny camera. They're looking for any cracks or leaks. Once they assess the damage, they'll clean the pipe with water and a rotating chain. This breaks up any caked-on rust, dirt, hair, sewage, and oil inside the pipe. All this buildup shrank the size of the pipe, making it difficult for waste to flow through it. Now that all that waste has been removed, the pipe is back to its original size, which will allow the new lining to stick. Now the relining process begins. The workers measure the pipe and cut a piece of felt lining to roughly the same size. A vacuum pump sucks out any air from inside the felt so that it can be filled with epoxy resin. They mix the resin by hand. Now that there's no room for air bubbles, which weaken the resin, they fill it up. Epoxy resin is super strong and resistant to chemicals. It's also a good choice to prevent roots of trees or plants from getting in the pipes and clogging them. And since resin starts as a liquid, it can be used to repair pipes of any size. The team flattens the lining and puts it in a compressor. The compressor uses pressurized air to shoot the lining into the old pipe. Once it's in there, the lining is inflated so that it sticks to the walls. A new pipe starts to form inside the old one. It cures and hardens for 4 hours with the help of pressurized air and heat from a steamer. Then the lining is deflated, trimmed, and removed, leaving behind a new pipe inside. The pipes can be used as normal once the job is done, and no water will be able to get in between the liner and the original pipe. The finished product can last over 50 years, which is twice as long as a brand new PVC pipe.